Welcome back to Professor Grampy's Garage. Last week we picked up this 2332 motor that's a blow-through turbo, and it's never been run, so I had to mock up everything and build new engine tin to fit the thing because it has super flow heads. And what I did was make a pattern and cut out the pattern and made the engine tins. This will pop off right quick. You can see here I welded the new pattern in there, and they fit perfectly over these super flow heads, which are much bigger than stock heads. That's why they call them super flow. They have 44 millimeter valves, intake valves, and 37 exhaust, and it's got Delortos, 44 size millimeter, and I had to primer the engine tins, remanufacture the ends so you can get the plugs out and no air loss around anything. Plugged up all the holes. I'm using a earlier style doghouse with a smaller fan because we got an oil cooler that goes on the back that's electric powered, and we're going to plumb it with oil filters. It's got a deep sump, 3.5 quart added extra oil pan on it, and I'll keep you updated, and we'll try to get this thing running in the next few days once I get the tins painted and put the thing back together. I need a few gaskets, intake gaskets and valve cover gaskets for it, but it's never been run, and it's been sitting for probably 10 years, so I'll change the oil and see if we can't get this thing started. It's got a Vertex magneto and seems to be set up pretty good with a blow-off valve, so we'll see what happens. Okay, welcome back to Professor Grampy's Garage. I prefabbed the whole motor, put it all together. I had to fabricate some linkage brackets on both sides. They weren't quite fitting right. I got everything else fabricated. It's a 2332 motor. I got it all detailed out, cleaned up. This is what it's going to look like inside the 1953 split window. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and we'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back to Professor Grampy's Garage. We got the 2332 inside the 53 split window bug, and I just have to do a little bit of more fitment, but I got everything to fit, and we're able to close the hood and nothing of the motor will show. Anyway, it's got super flow heads and everything fits pretty nice. Turbo tucked under here, and I was able to get the pipe up and in, all fitted, and everything fits really good. I can't wait to ride this down the road. We're thinking probably around 250 horsepower, a blow-through turbo, Vertex magneto. This is going to be one hot little split window bug. Waiting for the interior, and we'll get this thing finished off pretty quick.